Withdraw with the Better Call Dev tool explained. Step 1. Head over to the Better Call Dev interface using the specific engine address for your desired tracker token versus eligible collateral. Steps to navigate to Better Call Dev and to connect your wallet with BCD are found in the Mint video. Step 2. Look up your vault stats. Click on the Storage tab. Scroll down a bit. Select the Vault Contexts Big Map. For the V3 engine for UUSD with TES collateral, this is Big Map ID 287297. Paste your wallet address. Click to view the details. Here you see the collateral balance and minted amount. Step 3. Update the compound interest rate. Click on the Interact tab. Scroll down. Select the Update entry point. Click on the Execute button. Select the Wallet option. Confirm the action in your wallet. Click on the Storage tab. Here you find the updated compound interest rate. Step 4. Time for some calculations. We now want to calculate the excess collateral that is available for withdrawal. Here are the values for minted tokens, collateral balance, and the compound interest rate. On a smart contract level, the following have the decimals as shown on the screen. To get the normalized values for minted, collateral amount, and compound interest rate, divide their raw values by their respective decimals. To get the actual outstanding tokens, we need to multiply together the normalized values for minted tokens and the compound interest rate. To calculate the USD equivalents for collateral and minted tokens, we need to get the collateral market price and the minted token target price. The target price is 1 USD for the UUSD token. Head over to metrics.youves.com to get the collateral FX price. The current market price for TES is 1.39. To get the dollar equivalent for outstanding and collateral amount, multiply the normalized values for outstanding tokens and collateral with the target and market price respectively. To calculate the minimum collateral amount required to collateralize the outstanding tokens, the following are taken into consideration. In this example, we are interacting with a V3 engine. To get the minimum collateral needed, multiply the outstanding amount with the emergency collateral ratio. The excess collateral amount is gotten by calculating the difference between the dollar equivalent of collateral in vault and the minimum collateral needed in USD. To calculate the excess collateral in TES, divide the dollar value with the market price. Because of the possibility of an update in the compound interest rate, it is advisable to lower the excess collateral calculated value when interacting with the withdrawal entry point. In this example, we try to withdraw 0.76 TES as excess collateral. To interact with BCD, we need the raw values for excess collateral. Step 5. Now that we have calculated the raw values for excess collateral, let's dive into the actual withdrawal operation. Click on the Interact tab. Scroll down a bit. Select the withdraw entry point. Input the withdrawal amount. Scroll down a bit. Click on Execute. Select the wallet option. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Step 6. Verify the withdrawal operation. Click on Storage. Select the Vault Contexts Big Map. For the V3 engine for UUSD with TES collateral, this is Big Map ID 287297. Paste your wallet address. Click to view the details. The collateral balance appears to have decreased. You will have received the withdrawn collateral in your wallet. Learn more? Find more information on youves with the links in the description.